Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Questions 3 to 4. Describe a picture. Directions. In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to speak about the picture. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
On the
Questions 5 to 7. Respond to questions. Directions. In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7.
Imagine that a Canadian research institute is conducting a study in your country. You have agreed to participate in a telephone interview about neighbor relationships. What are your neighbors like?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Are you close to your neighbors?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
What are some advantages of having many neighbors around?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Questions 8 to 10. Respond to questions using information provided. Directions. In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the questions begin. You will have 3 seconds to prepare and 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9. You will hear question 10 2 times. You will have 3 seconds to prepare and 30 seconds to respond to question 10.
Hi, this is Jordan Reed. I'm staying at your hotel next month and I just want to confirm a few details. Can you help me with that?
Begin preparing now.
Where is your hotel located and from what time do you accept check-ins?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
As far as I remember, breakfast starts at 6:30 in the morning. Is that correct?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I need to make sure there are no problems with my reservation, especially my identification information and the total charge for my stay. Can you confirm these details for me?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Question 11. Express an opinion. Directions. In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak.
Do you agree or disagree with the idea that young people who commit crimes should be punished in the same way as adults? Give reasons for your opinion.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.